What's up guys, welcome back to Pipe Dreams Customs. Hey, today we're in the sled shed and what I'm going to be doing is a teardown video on that. Is the original 1100 that came out of my wife's 97 Virago. When I got it, it was locked up. We got a parts motor, the dude said ran, we threw it in there, and now I'm actually fairly certain that what happened to that is the same thing that happened to the bike. I've never really torn into one of these before, but what I think I'm going to do is I'm going to take the timing chain off first and try to get these jugs off of here and see what happened. There's a clanking that's going around. Kind of sounds like a wrist pin came loose and the connecting rod is rattling back and forth in the jug on the bike outside that I can turn over. This one I can only turn over by hand because I don't really have a rig up to be able to use the starter. We're just going to wing it and record it and show you guys what we run into, and you know, if I break something or mess something up, I'll just show you. But yeah, let's get after it. So for the keepers, I'm using a 3/4 inch socket. So what I'm gonna do is, as I go along, since these are very similar to each other, I'm gonna go ahead and engrave which side they go on. So that way I know when I go to, you know, put one back on, exactly how it's supposed to sit. Now, one thing I want you to know is this motor did actually run and drive until it was physically locked up. So I know the coils and electronics are still good on it. So I'm going to hang on to them in case I need them. Actually cleaned up pretty good. I just hit it with some purple power at full strength. Just straight concentrate. Actually ends up looking alright. So we just set up a shelf up here made out of some of the racks that we had over in the corner. So now I have more floor space to be able to work around and be able to maneuver for you guys. Yes, I was holding you up with propane tanks. I'm a man on a budget now. Trying. I believe this guy is sitting over here. That is a 6mm Allen head. Alright, so I've already found some damage.